So there's 2 ways to use the wings. This is for baby mode. This one's for bigger mode. Wait, can you tell? This is the disc. Batman, show them how it's done. Look, that's how much it could go. It's like a little big. Batman, get out of the way. Look, this is the trigger on the bottom. It's huge. So, I'm going to show you my Batman collection right now. Because I'm going to tell you which one is the best. Oh yeah, I gotta show you guys this one. Look how whack this Batman is. Look how whack it is. We got Ice Batman. How is Joker in between? He's all the way back here. Okay, we got classic Batman. Batman from 1968. We got one more that looks like a pro. So which one do you think is my favorite Batman? My favorite is the Dark Knight. My second favorite is this Dark Knight. My third favorite, it's gotta be this one. I don't like about it is the bat symbol. There's like lines going through the bat symbol. It's like fading. And the thing this is new about imaginex. Look. Look. Somehow, new about imaginex, this Shin is big. Look at the new shins. They're small. This one has a little small 3 shins. This one has big 3 shins. This is my Snow Batman. We're gonna do a test shot. I'm gonna do a test fire at all these and see how many we could take out. See how many you take out? What? No, not over all of them. So I got 2 bullets. One. Double. One shot him in the butt. So this one went out. This one went out. So let's see if the Batman could do better. This one. Shot went. Get a redo. It has to hit someone. Shot 1. Nothing. But it hit the ground, so we'll give this one a redo. Fire 1. Hit someone. Nope. fire too. Wow. I'm impressed. This one was way more powerful than this one. Wow. That's embarrassing. I'm gonna try to hit Joker on top of you guys. It's gonna be hard. Hit him, but didn't do anything. Wow, I hit the ball. I like this one. Do you know why? It foams. The bats. Oh, I know what these are for. The bats. The bat. Let's see how many gobble up. Gobbled one. It's one of the dark nights. Let's see if I can take out Joker. Wow, it hit the ball. As you can see, this was a lot of fun because I kept shooting it. So gonna give these characters one shot to shoot down one of these characters. So, get the bat. Get out. No, I'll take out this helmet. So if I hit this one, I have to hit the Dark Knight. Oh, I missed. Get one shot. So moving on to this one, I have to hit that one. This is gonna be hard. I hit him. Okay, this was a lot of fun. So I think I'm gonna give these guys one more chance. You have to hit the Dark Knight. I don't know what. I hit him. Oh no. If I don't hit this one, it's not my favorite. I hit him. Doesn't hit. Maybe I'll give this guy one more chance to shoot higher. So far. I hit him. That counts anyways. Where did it go? That wing dead. You want to see if we can get it in Clayface's mouth? Let's try to get it in Clayface's mouth. Okay. The mouth is open. I have to leave him. Batman. I'm going to use Joker instead. Joker. Oh, wow, man. I guess I have to shoot up. Okay. That was so close. I'm using this one. Wow, this thing is trying. Jeez, I missed. So this was a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe, and can you give me a catch up so I can get six subscribers like Caden? Only up one. Why don't you like my videos? you like this one. Bye. Why am I not moving? Why am I not moving? Uh-oh. Bye, guys.